How to fix iCloud Drive taking up too much space on iPhone. In this video, I'll walk you through several ways to fix the issue and free up space on your iPhone. Let's start with the first solution. Simply turn off and turn on your iPhone. Go to the Settings app, tap General, scroll down, and select Shut Down. Slide the power slider to the right to turn off your iPhone. Wait a few seconds, then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears to turn it back on. This simple restart can sometimes resolve storage display bugs. The second solution is to turn off and then turn back on iCloud Drive syncing. Open the Settings app, tap on your Apple ID name at the top, then go to iCloud Drive. Turn off the option that says Sync this iPhone, then restart your iPhone. After the reboot, return to the same setting and turn Sync this iPhone back on. This refreshes iCloud Sync and can release unnecessary local storage. Solution 3 involves managing app syncing with iCloud Drive. Again, go to Settings, tap your Apple ID, then iCloud Drive. Here, you'll see a list of apps that use iCloud Drive. Turn off syncing for all listed apps temporarily. Then restart your iPhone. Once your device is back on, return to the same screen and re-enable syncing for the apps you actually need. This process helps clear cached or unnecessary data saved by apps. Moving on to Solution 4, make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Go to Settings General Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and install. Updates often include important system optimizations and bug fixes that may reduce unnecessary storage usage by iCloud Drive. Lastly, Solution 5 is to reset all settings. Don't worry, this will not delete your photos, messages, or personal data, but it will reset system settings like Wi-Fi, wallpapers, and privacy preferences back to default. Go to Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap Reset all settings. Enter your passcode if prompted, then confirm by tapping Reset all settings again. This can help resolve persistent iCloud Drive space issues that aren't fixed by other methods. And that's it. Hopefully one of these solutions helps you reclaim storage space and get rid of the iCloud Drive overload on your iPhone. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.